Hi there, history buffs! Today, I'm diving into one of the most pivotal moments in human history, August 26, 1789. On this day, the National Constituent Assembly of France approved the Declaration of the Rights of Man and the Citizen. Let's explore how this epic event unfolded and its monumental impact on humanity. First, some context. France in the late 18th century was a hotbed of social discontent. The common people were fed up with the monarchy's lavish spending and oppressive policies. This dissatisfaction led to the French Revolution, a period of radical social and political upheaval. Amidst the chaos, the National Constituent Assembly was formed in 1789. Its mission? To draft a new constitution and establish fundamental rights for all citizens. And voila, the Declaration of the Rights of Man and the Citizen was born. This groundbreaking document proclaimed that all men are born free and equal in rights. It emphasized liberty, property, security, and resistance to oppression. These were revolutionary ideas at the time, challenging centuries of feudal and monarchical rule. One key figure behind this declaration was the Marquis de Lafayette. Inspired by the American Declaration of Independence, Lafayette collaborated with Thomas Jefferson to draft this historic text. The document was heavily influenced by Enlightenment thinkers like Montesquieu, Rousseau, and Voltaire. So, what happened next? The Declaration laid the groundwork for modern human rights and democratic ideals. It inspired countless movements worldwide, from the Haitian Revolution to the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. The Declaration faced fierce opposition from monarchists and conservatives. Despite this, the principles it enshrined eventually became the cornerstone of many modern democracies. Fast forward to today, and we can still feel the ripples of August 26, 1789. The Declaration's influence is undeniable. It marked the beginning of a new era where the rights of individuals were recognized and protected. If you're as fascinated by this as I am, check out the links in the description and the first pinned comment. Watch the other videos on the channel, as they will always bring up relevant subjects from human history. And who knows? They may inspire us to collaborate with everything that is on the human spectrum, or awaken our curiosity. You'll find some fantastic books that dive even deeper into this transformative period of history. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting history content. Until next time, keep exploring the past to understand our present. Catch you later.